Our friend Darius actually helped us get this one set up, but
Darius at Dubb is a great company. I have known and used them for some time now, and wanted to have that integration. And I was chatting with Darius. I said, "Hey, can we get this in there?" And he had it within the next week. Just had everything in there. So, what Dubb is whenever you're sending out a email, you can create emails that contain videos. Now, it will actually create a link to a video, but the image inside the message is a GIF file where it's actually moving a 3-second clip of the message that you're sending. So it gets the attention of the person, and it really helps. So you can come into the templates area. You can maybe I just want to create a new contact piece. Now, the way this is done is there is an add-on, a Dubb add-on for Chrome. It's in a Chrome extension.
And I can add the link to that down in the description. So you guys will be able to follow that down. You can find it and get it added to your Chrome browser.
Yeah, so you do have to have the extension loaded, but what they've done is they've added their implementation of it inside of SAM itself. So whenever you're in here in the template editor, or you're in the email, you're getting ready to send an email or text message, you can come here, click on the little Dubb icon, and then it will bring up a list of all the different videos and stuff that you want to that you have. And maybe you want to make some new video. You can record your screen. You can use a certain tab. You can use your camera. You can turn on the camera and include that part of it inside of the message. So there's just lots of things that you can do. I can pick one of these, and then it will go ahead and insert it right into the message for us by having this.
And this is a really cool add-on inside of your template, because oftentimes we're more visual. Just people are more visual as a tenant of people, right? And so we can throw something that's going to catch their eye, that's going to draw some attention. You're going to be more likely to click on it. And sometimes if you try to do this process yourself, you throw in a video on there, and then you like highlight it, and then you post a YouTube link. Like, you try to get a little crafty with it. Google or whatever email service is going to go, I don't know what that is. And so being able to have these integrations is really powerful, because they have gone ahead and they've handled, kind of like you were saying, with having to get approved authority to be able to send things. They've said, no, we're legit. And we verify that you, Mark, are able to send this, and whatever you're sending is good to go. It is, in fact, a video that you recorded. And so that is a way that you can use those integrations to just hopefully get more eyes on your emails, more click-throughs, people clicking on, watching your content, learning about your services. And then the nice thing about it is they now have a face and a voice to go with your email copy. And so, again, we're just driving home that world-class client experience, really aiming for those personal touches.
Absolutely.